Well, hello everyone. So today, what we're gonna do is we're going to install yet another beta. Yep, going hopping on that beta bandwagon today. So let's just begin. We are going to install Windows NT 5.0, which is the beta for Windows 2000, which I have right here. So let's just get started, shall we? We're going to click Create a new virtual machine. Installer disk image file. So it says could not detect, so we're just going to click Next. Microsoft Windows, and we're just going to say Windows 2000. Yeah, we're just going to say that because it's basically the beta of that. We're going to name it Windows NT 5.0. Next. 8. And customize the hardware. Actually, I'm sorry. We don't need a floppy drive this time, so I think we're good. Let's just play the virtual machine. Ooh. Alright, so I've gone into the BIOS menu, and we are just going to change the date. We have to set it to August 17, 1998, so 8, 17, 1998. And then we go over to exit saving changes. Yes. Now, just gonna do this. Okay, so this weirdo showed up. A fault has occurred, causing a virtual CPU to enter the shutdown state. If this fault has occurred outside of the virtual machine, it will cause the physical machine to restart. Click OK to restart. So do that. I guess do not share this message again. See what happens. And just keeps restarting. It's just going in a boot loop. I don't really know what's causing to do this. Like, I don't know. It's just... Okay, so it just keeps doing this. Like, gets to the blue setup screen. It tries to start Windows NT, and it just goes into this fault. It's just stuck like this for all of eternity. So yeah, we're gonna have to consider this one a fail. I'm sorry, guys. We just can't. But trust me, I'm pretty sure the next one will be successful.